July 25th, 1992, an engineer doing a yard job has a heart attack. Little do they know what is about to happen. Unfortunately, the wreck was devastating. In total, 3 people died. The engineer, which died of a heart attack, a man that was crushed by a boxcar, and another man that later died of injuries in the hospital. The line was later considered a total loss as it would cost too much to repair everything. All of the rail cars, locomotives, and track were eventually pulled up and sold off for scrap. Unfortunately, 6007 and 6383 were considered a total loss because they had too much damage done to them. All the cars, locomotives, and damaged rails were hauled off to Waycross, Georgia, and scrapped directly on site. These are some videos of after the wreck and what it looked like after all of the locomotives and cars were removed from the track. This is TrainFab119 signing out.